create a new file, save it as whole with your initial. Make sure it's millimeter. Hit OK. Then go to File, Import, Part, create a new name groups, uncheck, and the scale 1:1. The layer WCS. Hit OK. Choose the file you just created, top cover. Hit OK. Use absolute work part reference 000, and then hit OK. Right, you can see all the parts being created. Then cancel. Once you have this one, save your file. We're going to use the whole command to create a hole. First, we need a point to start. So go to point, create point, dialog box. We're going to use a point on face, and then we can rotate, and then we select the bottom surface. Make sure use 0.5 and 0.5 in U and V direction, so you have a surface. You have a point on the surface. Now, once you have the point, we are ready to create the hole. So click the hole button, and then choose this point. Choose this existing point, and then we'll just use a simple hole. Give the diameter. The diameter will be 42, and we are going to depth limit. We would like to use through body. Then preview. You will see. A hole is being created. Accept result. Bring it to isometric view and save your file. We can see this hole is perpendicular to the bottom surface. Right, so we can create a surface which we can create a hole which is in certain direction. Let's create a daytime axis. This time we're going to use, use 2 points. Make sure you use you make the middle point activate. So this time we're going to make this one, and the point on this edge. Okay. When we look at from the top view, it will go in this direction. and hit OK. Use isometric view. You can see. Alright, now what we're going to do, create the hole. Again, just a general hole. We're going to select the a point here, highlight the specified point, right? So choose this middle, make sure only middle point is activated here. So choose the middle point. The direction by default is in this direction, right? So what we can do here, it just says normal to the face. We can use a long vector. So the vector we're going to select is use infer. Choose the datum axis. You can see this will be the whole direction, and the parameter, it will be 2 mm. Let's see. Okay. Oh, by accidentally, so through the body, right? So let's see the result. You can see the hole goes through the whole body. Okay. Let's save the file and to bring it to isometric view. Now we're going to create one more hole, which is a counterpoint hole. So first we're going to create a point as its starting point. So this time we're going to use make sure you have endpoint being activated. Choose this corner endpoint, and then let's say offset. Use the rectangular. In x direction, we move 10 mm. In positive x direction, and 10 mm in y direction. Okay. When we look at the bottom, we have a point here. Now we're going to create the hole. So we're going to use the hole normal to the face. We would like to choose this point, existing point, which is point 16. And you can see here it's a simple hole, but we would like to get a counterpoint hole. This time we're going to get the counterpart 10 mm. Depth will be 2 mm, and the diameter will be 8 mm. If we use a through body, and then show the results. Oops. Right. Okay, show the results. It will go through to here. 10 mm. So what we're going to do, we're going to use say until selected. Let's try this one. See it? Hit OK. What are we going to see? This is a counterpoint hole we created here. Save your file. Okay, let's look at this command again. You can see the hole type, we have several different hole types here. The general hole, drill size hole, screw clearance hole, threaded hole, and the whole series. Right, so And for general hole, we can also have different forms: count simple hole, count border hole, count single hole, tapped hole, and so on. So drill bit hole, you can see we have different sizes, right? So represents a different drill bit size. All right. So and the feet, right? So we can have extra, customer, and so on. Also, screw clearance hole may also give you different types, right? So you can see here, right? So screw size, you have M10, right? So and also have different types here. Okay, so and also have feet, normal, different. If you look at the threaded hole, so you can see, right? You can also have a right-hand hole, left-hand hole, and so on, and whole series, and so on. So middle, end, right? So I'm going to leave this for yourself to learn and try to create some holes at the bottom. Okay, on each corner. Okay, on each corner, you're going to create a hole. So look at the lab menu. You will see the requirement. Create 3 holes. Create 3 holes on each of this corner. Create a drill side hole, screw clearance hole, and a threaded holes on each of this corner. So you will have 3 more holes. Learn by yourself to use the hole command. Once you create those holes, then save your file and close it. Upload to your Dropbox.